Piso writes 3 verses every day.
Father isn't home. Rufus is at home with mother.
Of course I love my mother. I also love my father.
I don't love Rufus because father loves him the most.
I do not love Rufus. Rufus is 3 years old. Every day he speaks with me, I hear him, and he does not speak good Latin.
Therefore, he will not be a poet because he does not speak Latin well. Latin literature is not pleasing to him. Syllabus are not pleasing to him. The words do not please him, but weapons are pleasing to him. Rufus will be a good and happy soldier.
Father and Rufus speak about weapons every day, but with me they do not speak about literature and syllables and words and verses. Father loves Rufus greatly. Alas, I want Father to speak with me. What should I do? Piso thinks about Father. He is tired.